Hey guys, I know that last week was crazy and there was a lot of switching going on, and I'm happy to have you in my American literature class. I'm Miss Patrick if you haven't heard my voice yet. Um, but I wanted to make this quick recording because there are a number of you who I just entered zeros for the OHS orientation quiz. Um, and I wanted to show you how to access that quiz so that you can get that finished. So when you come into the OHS, the first thing that you want to do is always look at class news announcements, because one of the class news announcements specifically addresses this issue, because I think you're probably going to go in and you're like, okay, I didn't take that quiz. Maybe you didn't know it was there. Maybe you tried to take it and you couldn't get into it because there's a release condition on it. So what I'm pointing out to you in this announcement is that right here, not only do I need you to watch the video that's linked in the lesson for that day, and not only do I need you to fill out the survey, but I need you to look at the course materials module also. And then specifically down here in the directions of this announcement, I let you know that in order to access this quiz, you have to open up the syllabus in the course materials module. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this quiz was in the first week when you might have been with another teacher, and I sent an email that said, if you already took this quiz with another teacher, if you can remember the grade, then just send it to me in an email. I'm going to go off the honor system for this. If you took it and you didn't do that great, well then take it in my class and you might do better. So this is the orientation week. You scroll down, almost all of you have taken the pretest by now, but if you haven't, the information for taking the pretest is listed there. And then here's where the content starts, where it tells you to watch this video, it tells you to fill out this survey, and it tells you to take this quiz. Well, right here you can access the quiz. Now, if you just went to click on the quiz right now, if you click this picture, the quiz would not open up for you yet unless you had gone to the course materials module. So what we need to do at this point is come here into content, and here's course materials. And the very first thing in course materials is the syllabus. I need you to open up that syllabus. I need you to read that syllabus. A lot of the answers to the quiz that you're going to take are in the syllabus. Once you've read the syllabus, there are a few ways to go back to your to get back to your quiz, but the most direct way might be to just go back right where you were. You go back to that table of contents. We come back into the orientation week. You scroll down. And now mine's going to look a little different on the teacher side, but you'll click here and the quiz is going to open up for you. You have 2 attempts on this quiz, so make sure that after you take it the first time, if you don't make 100, that you look at what you missed and then use that second attempt to do better. If you have any questions, please email me. My email is apatrick@gacyber.org. Have a great day.